Good afternoon, my people. Today our Wednesday. A blessed Wednesday to you. Mama Susie in the kitchen once more, just like always. Come in, Jessie, and come off of my ugly face now. Looking at the pot. Today I cook some dumpling, some cornmeal dumpling. Look over the pot here. And this is some saltfish boiling out. And over here, so come follow me, Jessie. I'm going to put some potato also in the pot because I never get to go on road today. We didn't get to go to road today. I'm going to clean up the restaurant, help her clean up the restaurant because we are open very, very soon. That me should show now, please for that. So I'm going to put some potato on that. So I have a tin of callaloo. Zoom in on the callaloo, Jessie, straight from here, the callaloo. And over here I have some big broad beans. See them there? Broad bean. And over here I have some sweet pepper, tomato, onion. I have more onion, scotch bonnet pepper, little thyme, garlic, everything in that little thing here. So I'm going to dice up and cut up and I'm going to cook up my. I dash in all of this one see so in a one pot and call it a mix up thing, vegetarian thing, nice and easy. With a little piece of saltfish in it here. And the dumpling are bubble, make me turn up the fire, make it bubble a little more. So a little later now, crowd of people may go show on the finishing touch. So today we are eating cornmeal dumpling with potato and saltfish cooked down in broad bean, callaloo and all the veg. Okay? So later on Mama Susie will get back to you with the finishing touch. Love on us. See you later and thing and thing and thing.